this demonstration, I am going to take this camcorder, which is a typical consumer type of model, and we'll connect it to my computer using a USB cable, which plugs into this little port, as you can see. So, I go to plug it in. The camcorder is set to connect to a PC, and so each camcorder will have its own way of connecting to the computer, but if it's a USB cable, the camcorder will have a setting where you can do that, and the computer will recognize it as it will any other kind of drive. Okay, so I see on my taskbar for the computer that the device has been connected. And if I click on that item, it will give me the ability to open the device, or the device will show me this autoplay function. And what I would want to do is choose Open the folder to view the files. And in this type of camcorder, you got to drill in a little bit, but eventually you find the videos. And so I would select one. And this is very important. You'll want to copy the video. Not cut it, but copy it. So you would click Copy. And then on somewhere on your computer where you have it available, you might want to choose your videos folder if it's a Windows computer. And for a new project, I would always create its own unique folder. And this folder will be speeches, because they are videos of students' speeches. So I will click into that folder, I will open it up, and into this folder I will do a right mouse click so that I can paste the video that I copied from the camcorder. And it will take a few moments for that video to be loaded, as you can see. Now you can copy multiple files at once, the same as you would with any other batch movement of files from one folder to the other. If you do that, this process will take quite a while. You might want to take a break and then come back later. But ultimately, the video does reside in that folder. You can even get a preview of it if you were using a Windows computer. And naturally, you have to have a command and the grasp of how your computer manages folders and files in order to get to this point. As you can see, it's in the Speeches folder, which is in the Videos folder, which is part of the libraries. And if I wanted to get back to it later, I would simply go to the Videos folder, go to Speeches. This thing is ranked in terms of the last date modified. And then I'd be able to find the folder. Forget the fact that it's got a .mts dot extension. You can take this file and you can move it into Windows Live Movie Maker. And Windows Live Movie Maker will edit the video so that you can eventually export it to a format which is suitable for upload to YouTube or upload to a Canvas assignment. At the end of it all, do not neglect to remove the camcorder from the computer properly. Looking back to the icon which is on the drive, which represents the camcorder, you click it, and it says Eject. This is the proper method of removing the device, the camcorder. You click Eject, and it will tell you that it's safe to remove the hardware, and in which case you can just simply come on over and take out the USB plug and then shut your camcorder down. After all, you don't want to run out of battery power. Or if you have the camcorder charging up, well, that's taken care of itself. In any event, it is of utmost importance to properly dismount your camcorder or your drive, whatever it is, in order to avoid fouling things up.